My dear children, now in this module we are going to study the important objectives of trial balance. As we know, trial balance is a statement prepared with debit and credit balance of ledger accounts to test the arithmetical accuracy of business transactions. The trial balance is prepared with the following objectives. First objective is to ascertain the arithmetical accuracy of the ledger accounts. Second point, it helps to locate errors. And third objective is it helps in the preparation of final account. These are the important objectives of preparation of trial balance. The first important objective of preparation of trial balance is to ascertain the arithmetical accuracy of the ledger accounts. If the sum of the debit and credit column of the trial balance tally, individual ledger accounts are also accurate since the following errors in the ledger accounts are not relevant by the trial balance. The important errors happening at the time of preparation of trial balance are error of principal, error of omission, error of commission, and compensating errors. Trial balance is the test of accuracy of the business transactions. If correct posting has been made, subsidiary books and other ledger accounts and correct figures have been recorded and copied, the debit and credit total of the trial balance must tally. Another important objective is to helps to locate the errors. When there are a large number of posting in ledger and the trial balance does not tally, the following steps are required. First one is to recheck the tally of debits and credits. Then to recheck of the trial balance item with the ledger. Then rechecking the total of ledger accounts and their balancing. And last one, finding out the difference may be due to omission of any entry either on debit side or credit side. It helps to make the various adjustments. While making the final accounts, certain adjustments regarding closing stock, outstanding expenses, prepaid expenses, accrued income, unearned income, income received in advance are to be made. While identifying items for adjustments, we will have to study the information furnished by the trial balance. Another important objective of preparing trial balance is to provide basis for the preparation of final accounts. The ultimate end of maintaining books of accounts is to ascertain the result of the business in terms of profit and the value of different assets and liabilities. For this purpose, we prepare a profit and loss account and balance sheet on the basis of the information supplied by the trial balance. It is a source document for the preparation of final financial statement. The trial balance contains a list of ledger accounts with their debit and credit balance. While preparing the financial statement, that is final account, there is no need to refer to the ledger or journal. Financial statements can be easily prepared from the tallied trial balance. Trading account, profit and loss account can also be prepared from the revenue and expense account appearing in the trial balance. Another important objective of preparing trial balance is that it is a summarized information of ledger accounts. Trial balance contains a list of all ledger accounts. It represents the means of ledger accounts and the amount of their debit and credit balance. The summarized position of ledger accounts can be obtained at a glance from the trial balance. It would have been very difficult to assess the position of different ledger accounts from the subsidiary books and ledger accounts. Test of arithmetical accuracy, summarize the information of ledger accounts, basis of preparation of final accounts, and helpful for making adjustments. These are the important objectives of preparing trial balance.